Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say, and one and only Atafa the Press. Well, me coming at the evening here to drag on a memory. So I want to just take notes here.
Take the shame out of them, yeah. And that, they want to take the shame out of them, yeah, because them always come and hype, this and that and what them are going to do for Jamaican people. And majority of the time, they not do jack shit. And it's just the truth, my viewers and subscribers. So, if you do the right thing, me always encourage you, say anything that is not going right, what you know say is wrong, and it is against the law, you need to go out and protest. Anytime they do nothing. Anytime they do anything, you have to go out and protest. Because when you no protest now, everybody feels that them do a good job. Which you all know that they not do no good job. They not do not a good job, my wisdom warriors. This is why I encourage people. Anything happen, when you know say, and a side figure, you come out and demonstrate, protest about it. Because guess what? The power is in our hands. And if something not go right, we're supposed to can come out and talk about it. We're supposed to can come out and demonstrate about it. You know why? Because we put them, we spot them there. And them put we spot we there, You remember good, we put them, we spot them there. You understand? I remember, so they have money away, left, right, and center. Them have money away, and if Auditor General never come out and say nothing, we would even know what going. We would even know what was going on. This is why you see Juliet Wallace never want to table out the reporting at the House of Parliament. Because she's saving them the embarrassment. She don't want nobody know what was going on. Yeah, and they feel like so they could get away with it. And that, they feel like so the Auditor General never there go run out. But me like the Auditor General, me like her bad. Yes, man, me like her. Guess what? A woman with stand her grounds. Yes, and right now, you know what she do right now? Hey, my viewers and subscribers, story come to bump. Me have a piece of attack claps for drop on uno. Uno not gonna believe on eyes, much less on ears. Hear this. Auditor General placing spotlight on government's environment agriculture portfolio. Let me repeat this one more time, because when me telling you, I like that lady, I like how she come out, and I talk things them, and I look into things, and I investigate things. Yes, madam, yes, Pamela, yes, me like how you doing the right thing, because I see if you never come out and stand your ground, hey, then everybody would think say I lie, Mark Golden, I tell. Auditor General placing spotlight on government's environment agriculture portfolio. You know say when them write it like this, they want it to sound good. But let me read this for you. The Pamela Monroe Ellis-led Auditor General's Department has placed climate change related projects and the effectiveness of the country's spending in that area under the microscope. A performance audit is now in progress with focus on the environment and climate change portfolios of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation. Yes, you know what? Me like this what she do, because you remember say when name Everall Warmington is a part of that also. You understand? So very good work you're doing, Auditor General. I commend you for doing this. Yes, me like it. Me like it. Because you can see say there's a lot. Look, if you notice, Andrew Owners, especially Nesta Morgan, if you notice, they might put whole heap of their time in the agriculture, You notice that whole heap of money they must spend, in the agriculture. So, but you know what? This Auditor General, Miss Pamela, thank you. Thank you. Yes, man, thank you. Me like at least somebody is at least somebody is coming out and looking into things. Yes, me like your job. I like your job. Anyway, the Auditor General has also turned the spotlight on the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining and the Rural Agricultural Development Authority. Yes, full time. Full time. I cannot wait. Yes, madam. Me like the way you look into everything little by little. It's the right thing you're doing. You know what? Even with Everall Warmington, I remember how he say he now go give PNP for him money, like taxpayer money belongs to him. This is the right move this lady is doing. Yes, yes, miss. Look into it. And we are here waiting. We're here waiting because we want it to remain transparent. We want everything to remain transparent and everything can table out. You understand? Yes, man. But me like how you come out and you look on it now, you know? But it would be better when them don't know, you know, because they can get time to do this and fix up that. Yes, they can get time to do this and fix up that. But my viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think about this. Tell me what you think about this, if this is the right move she's making. Because I believe it's the right thing she's doing. A long time we want somebody to do this. You know why? Mark Golding has been calling, not only Mark Golding alone. You have, I think, Damian Crawford too. I think Lisa Hanna also, Peter Bunting, Julian Robinson, Angela Brownberg. When they come in the House of Parliament, they might ask for auditing. They have been, Dr. Dawes also. Dr. Dawes and Miss Pamela Rose, I would like you to look into the healthcare. The healthcare is one that you need to look into. Cornwall Regional Hospital, yeah, you need to audit. All of them something there. Yeah, you need to look into it because Mr. Dawes, Dr. Dawes, has been asking for auditing for Cornwall. No, Andrew Holness not even look sideways, much less look upon him. You understand me? So, Miss Pamela, I would like you to take up the case there as well. Yes, but me like how you depend on the job creation part. Because Everall Warmington come out and run off him out. But the people, them money. So me like the way how you're just say investigate, you go investigate it, my viewers and subscribers. And this is a good look. At least she's there and she's starting the auditing and doing everything. And we want this to remain transparent. So now tell me what you think, about this.
And put on honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, remember, I drag on a memory. I drag on a memory. Who remember this? Listen to this.
Can't even see what is happening. Uno can't even see. And let's come out and tell we pure lie. And enough for uno sit down and pretend like uno no hear where Andrew Wellness just say a lie. Enough for uno do that. You understand? And this is the time where we have to rise up against these people because these people don't mean us well. These people do not mean us well. Andrew Juliet Wallace no mean us well. Because look all what happened there now. Look what happened in the House of Parliament. They might try to scrutinize Mark Golding because only thing Mark Golding is being transparent to the Jamaican people. That's all. And they might try to make it look like Mark Golding no care. And Mark Golding care. They might try to show up Mark Golding, One of them, Mark Golding not do nothing wrong. Mark Golding file clean. Mark Golding not do nothing wrong. Him file dirty. Andrew Holness file dirty and his wife file dirty. You understand? And they might try hide things from the public. And Mark Golding, we know, say, no. You can't take Jamaican people for full Andrew Holness. You understand? And me, I make my people, them know what is going on. Tell me if Mark wrong or right, my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding is correct. He is doing the right thing. So some people who need to saddle up and get some understanding and think like a Jamaican. Stop think die-hearted. Die-hearted not going to bring you nowhere. Think positive. You understand? And think like a Jamaican, because we want the best for ourselves, for our children's future, and for our country. And you can't follow Andrew Holness too, because Andrew Holness come out and I said, he might build up infrastructure. For who are benefit? Notice the kind of infrastructure we might build up. For who is benefiting from it? We not benefit from it. Before, if this man did care about us Jamaicans, this man would have go in the rural area and start from in this of us. He might go start from outwards when I have nothing to do with we. And the people them still a suffer. You understand? So sometimes we have to think. Sometimes we have to think. And that's all me I tell you now. Andrew Holness is a trickster, and he just come to trick the people them. He's manipulating the Jamaican people. That's what he's doing. And if you can't read between the lines, no for you will come over here me attack the green people. If you can't wake up and read between the lines, when you're not ready to wake up, the time is going to be too late. You understand? So you have to see and watch and have understanding, have some little knowledge, go and do some research and know what Andrew Holness is about. You have to follow up and know what them people are do, because them people are they not good. Them not good for the country. My viewers and subscribers, I have a piece of clip for show you. This I go shock you. Hear this. My wisdom warriors, this is the report. Look, the Auditor General reports. There's 3 reports. Actually, there's 2. But the last one, that is Civil Aviation Authority, is just an assessment that they did. Yeah? So the first one is the Financial Services Commission, the FSC. Wanna remember the last video me there showing one little clip with Mark Golding. Who remember? Remember. Yeah? Wanna remember about the FSC. Mark Golding was talking about the FSC, and he was like, he thinks it has something to do with the SSL also. Wanna remember? Him think the FSC, them need to come out, them Andrew Holness, they need to come and show these reports. So now remember, okay, this was one of the reports that the Auditor General sent to what's your name? Sent to Juliet Holness, and Juliet Holness sent it back. The FSC, the Financial Services Commission. What is in that report? Why she don't want to table it out in the House of Parliament? Why? Why is she saying it has to go to ministers when it is not supposed to go to any ministers? Anything the Auditor General send to the House of Representatives, it is not supposed to go to no ministers. It's supposed to table out in the House of Parliament, my viewers and subscribers. That are the first one. So you know so that have to do with money. All right. The second one is the Tax Administration Jamaica. You hear that? The Tax Administration Jamaica. So these are the things. So you see, these was sent by the Integrity Commission first over to Juliet. Remember, you know, these are the reports. She said when it was sent to her, they said the former House Speaker said she wants to get opinions from the Auditor General. So what they did now, they sent over whatever they sent over to her to get the opinion. So basically, it is whatever report came from the Integrity Commission that was sent to House of Representatives. They decide that they need some opinion on this. You understand? Before it has been tabled out. You get me? So some people now understand. So what she do now, she send everything over to Auditor General, asks her opinion. Auditor General gives her opinion, set back the report, and this is the report that she never tabled out. You understand? She never tabled them out, none at all. She kept telling Mark Golding, the opposition, and everybody, say, you know, them a delay it because they have to wait until certain time. They have such and such time to do whatever. And then the woman send back the report them over to the Auditor General and a table out nothing. So the Auditor General was surprised. She said she was shocked. She sent it back and they never table out. So why Juliet Oneness feel she have the right to send it over? Remember, you asked the opinion. So you know, get the opinion, you read it amongst yourself or maybe amongst your JLP members. We don't know. I'm only assuming, my viewers and subscribers, yeah? So, because she must read it. She must go through it. So she go through it by herself when it wasn't supposed to be like that. She's supposed to table it out. Tabling mean a discussion. Have a discussion about it. Because a lot of people don't understand what tabling mean. It mean have a discussion about it. You understand? Sit down and talk about what in the report or whatever. She never do that. She never come and have a discussion about it. It seems like she read it by herself, and when she done reading now, she send it back. You can't do that when Mark Golden in the house or keep on asks about it. How dare you, Juliet? That is wrong of you, and you need to step down. You understand? A lot of people, I say my viewers and subscribers, I see some people will claim that they're intelligent and they got university. Come on a program, yeah? Come on a program. I don't know what them are trying to prove. Come on a program and I pick up for Juliet Wellness. And they not talk facts and they not have facts. I breed out Integrity Commission Act. Integrity Commission Act don't have nothing to do with Juliet Wellness. And it's like, but when I realize with this person, the person, you know, when somebody just come with them heads high and say this them I can't talk about and this and nobody can change their mind. It's not even about change mind. It's just about reading and have an understanding. And me I feel laugh. Come here, I say them are people, I say they ain't got university and them this and them that. But them don't know nothing. None of them are dunce. You understand me, my viewers and subscribers? Enough of them dons. They don't know what happened. They don't have no understanding. They don't follow this thing up. They now follow this thing up. After, remember, you know, Mark Golding was in House of Parliament on the 19th. Mark Golding asks about the report that was sent, that the Auditor General sent to her. Why she not table it out? And what Juliet do after that the speech there? She sent it back after Mark Golding make him speech. You know hear that? After Mark Golding make him speech, that is when Juliet Owens take up a report them and send it back to the Auditor General because the Auditor General received it on the 22nd and Mark Golding mention it on the 19th. So for sure you say these people, Juliet Owens is not fit. Juliet Owens is not credible. She not have no credibility, my viewers and subscribers, and it is just the truth. Listen, this is not about liking thing, you know. This is about truth and rights, you know. It is not about, oh, I like Mrs. Wellness, so because I like her, we are going to pick up for her, everything she has said is right. No, we have to deal with truth and rights. You understand? And she needs to step down. This is ridiculous. All of them sent me a conflict of interest. My wisdom warriors, I want to take in what Julian Robinson have to say. Hear this.
Section 30 of the FAA Act refers to two specific things. One, it refers to public bodies, and secondly, it refers to audits of accounts. Now, in this particular case, the two entities, TAJ and the Financial Services Commission, don't fall into that category. And secondly, these are not audits of accounts. So we believe that the Speaker is using an interpretation of the Act in the wrong way, because neither of the two reports sent by the Auditor General would fall into this category. The Auditor General should not, nor any of her reports, should be subject to any minister or anybody else having it before the Parliament gets it. There's a very deliberate reason the Constitution was framed this way, so that reports go straight to the Parliament.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Julian Robinson said? The Auditor General report, nothing go see by no minister. It's supposed to see by the House of Representatives and the parliamentaries. Remember, them ask your opinion. The Auditor General send the reports to Juliet Holness. When she send the report to Juliet Holness, it's supposed to table out in the House of Parliament. Not go to no minister, none of them labor right minister, because of that them want to do. They want to send it to their labor right friend them to do whatever they. Hey! My wisdom warriors, come like una no catch on. So basically, she has said no, listen what me I get to understand now. It look like Juliet Owens claim say no, yeah? Me just gonna use the term allege, yeah? She allege, all right, she sent back the report, which is true. But allegedly, the reason why she sent back the report is because she wanted to be seen by the ministers, them, before it table out in the house. Why everything Integrity Commission send come? Why everything Auditor General send come? It have to table, it have to go, the reports have to go to some other different bodies before it table out in the House of Parliament. That is not the act. That is what Julian Robinson is trying to say. You know, depend on paper to say that. So why she do that? Why she do? Hey, you need to get rid of that woman from out of the house, you know. She come, listen, what is in the report? What is in that report? What is in the FSC report? And what is in the tax administration report? Why Juliet only afraid for table it out in a House of Parliament? And what, listen, you see when they may report here, remember, the Auditor General send the report to her. She no report no forgot to know ministers because I stay for 2 months unless they up to something with the reports. You hear my viewers and subscribers?
In essence, what you're trying to do is nullify the independence of the Auditor General. And I believe it is a very dangerous precedent that the former speaker, now the current speaker, has continued on. And I believe it may involve going to the courts on adjudication on this matter.
So my wisdom warriors, on a year when say, on a year when just say a while ago, in believe, listen, what in that the report there, maybe they must go court, or maybe the thief them name must go call out. You understand? So they don't want table out nothing, then just a delay it. Something important is in that report. Something very, very important that they do not want to table it out in the House of Parliament because the public are going to know.
Let me hear your opinion, guys. Let me hear your opinion. Like and share out the video. Subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn your post notification bell on. Blessings upon blessings. One love.